So you might just have a small surprise. Keep on looking out. And you might just be getting sweet, sweet surprises.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse.
Santa's here, everyone. Let's give him a big hand.
Come on, do you want a rocking Santa? Do you want to rock with the Santa? अगर मैं थोड़ा म्यूजिक लगाऊं, आप पसंद करेंगे थोड़ा सा झूमना उसके साथ? आपको कॉन्शियस फील हो रहा है? सर जी, सीरियसली? I mean it's Christmas, come on. थोड़ा डांस तो हो ही सकता है. Are we ready? Are we game? तो मैं म्यूजिक चेंज करवाती हूँ. Yeah? Okay. Santa? Okay, Santa, are we ready? Yes. Can we turn up the sound a bit? And can I have some people down here with the Santa? Please come. Let's start on a dance floor. Everybody. Everybody receive chocolates? Everybody receive chocolates? Can we have people dancing here, please? Raj uncle, Purnima ji. A little bit more. Yay! A picture with dancing Santa. Namaskar, good evening, Sat Sri Akal, everyone. How are we today evening? Good? Great? Awesome? Excellent. We welcome you all in the second milestone of growth journey. We all know that, of course, journey is a passage that can be in any form. It can be like spiritual, physical, like I said the last time. And it has the capacity to take us to places. There are learnings, of course, in experiences and in failures, successes, a lot of learnings as well. You know, we can actually compare life being on a train journey. We start the journey when we are born, and this is a journey where it's a train which has its own stations, it has change of stations, change of drivers, and sometimes accidents as well. अब वो मीठा एक्सीडेंट है तीखा है वो डिपेंड करता है. We bought this train when we were born, and our parents are like the engines. We believe that they will always travel with us. However, at some station, the engines, they either change positions or they split away completely from the train. So we must live the best way, adjust, forgive, forget, because we don't know when we shall disembark from this wonderful journey. So here in Growth Journey, we aim to help you and in turn help ourselves to learn the best and the most fulfilling way. Sculpt, remold. We request you to keep your hearts and your ears open, of course, and your hesitations, fears, and phones on silent. Let me begin the journey and the evening by giving you a brief insight about this journey. Growth Journey is a brainchild of Lion Suresh Kukreja, who is currently the president of Lions Club of Bandra East. This is a group which is comprising of eminent and experienced speakers, trainers, facilitators from various walks of life, and who have come together with a mission to help people discover themselves and empower them with the knowledge and tools to lead happier, healthier lives. We would like you to learn as per your skill set and mind frame. We've tried to keep our learning and our teaching skills very light and easy. So there would be, of course, surprises. Like I told you, that this is a month of December. There are surprises on the way. शुरुआत हो चुकी है. उम्मीद करती हूँ ये Santa का surprise आपको पसंद आया होगा. कुछ अलग लगा आपको Santa में? Apart from being an Indian Santa. Very thin, yes, that's one. He's a young Santa, he's not got the jelly belly as yet. Anything else? Anything else new in the Santa? Apart from being a rocking Santa? क्या कभी आपको ये लगा कि अगर हम नाचेंगे उसके साथ तो अजीब लगेंगे? Santa बचपन के दिनों में होता है, अब थोड़ी Santa होता है. Anybody? No? Okay. Great. Then I think we are ready to be on that particular journey. Let's start it. If you feel that there are too many surprises, well, today's evening is again, it's going to be full of surprises, and you know that each session will have 5 speakers, and each speaker will give his experience synopsis in 30 minutes. We shall have a brief recess of 10 minutes, before which we shall inform you about our next month's program and speakers. In the end, we have a lucky draw with a gift. So kindly hold on to your seat and be ready for this fantabulous ride. Okay, we have one more small thing for you. We're going to start today with a song. We have a talented gentleman, Mr. Debanjan Bhaduri, who shall enthrall us and fill us with the spirit in his melodious voice. May I please request Debanjan to please come on stage and enthrall us, and I shall definitely tell you about him, a lot about him, after his song. Debanjan, may I please request you to kindly take the mic. The mic is all yours.
Thank you so much. It's really my honor and privilege to be here, and I really thank the organizers of the Growth Journey to make me a part of the journey itself, and to give me an opportunity to sing in front of such an esteemed and august gathering out here. I'll start the session today with a song of hope, of ambitions, of growth. So here it is. Hope you enjoy, and please join me wherever you find that you can hum along. Yeah, please do though. Please do so. Thanks so much. Yeah, the track, please. From the beginning. आशाएं आशाएं कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा जो हो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार कर दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं, तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले, आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी, आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, ला 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 ओ जाए लेके खुशी अपने संग तुझको वहाँ, जन्नत से मुलाकात हो, पूरी हो तेरी हर दुआ, आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी, आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी, आशाएं गुजरे हर ख्वाहिशों से बात बात, आशाएं लेकर सूरत से आग आग गाए जा अपना राग राग, आशाएं कुछ ऐसा करके दिखा, खुद खुश हो जाए खुदा, आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी, आशाएं खिले दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी, ओ Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thanks for the encouragement. Thanks so much.
Thank you so much. अरे आप कहाँ चले संकेत? Well, let me tell you, we've started our session with Sanket, that is AKA Debanjan Bhaduri. पता नहीं मुझे ये नाम है ना, आपको पता है मुझे क्यों ऐसा लग रहा है कि सुना सुना सा लग रहा है. खैर, उसके बारे में हम बाद में बात करेंगे. He is an engineer from Jadavpur University, Kolkata, and an MBA from IIM Kolkata. Is that correct? Sorry, could you repeat that?
Kozhikode. I am Kozhikode.
Kozhikode. Okay. And Debanjan has worked with MNCs such as JP Morgan, Infosys, L&T. He's a vice president with JP Morgan Asian Infrastructure Fund, where he's been working for the past 10 years. He's been trained in Hindustani classical music from Shankar Mahadevan Academy. He loves to sing all Bollywood hits. हम इस बात का फायदा जरूर उठाएंगे. आज के दिन in December, it's my birthday month, of course. That's why I'm stressing on December. Is it December? Yes, it calls for the celebration. तो फिलहाल नहीं, लेकिन break में हम आपके जरूर और थोड़े गाने सुनेंगे. And he's currently working on a regional movie, upcoming regional movie, as a playback singer. Presenting Debanjan, aka Sanket. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And now I would like to call upon Miss Rashida Kapadia for further taking on over the program. Thank you very much. Miss Kapadia.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you are having a good time. Yes? Louder? Yes. So I would like to call upon stage Lion Suresh Kukreja sir, who's been our mentor and our guide and who has thought of this growth journey, and it's taken place. The first event was last month on 10th of November, and this is our second event. I would like to invite him on stage. And we would like to felicitate our guests of honor who have come here today, taken out time and come here to grace this occasion. So, I would like to invite Dr. Doris Greenwood on stage, please. Dr. Doris Greenwood is the Director of Conscious Solutions and an NLP master practitioner, an expert in leadership and communication. She specializes in conducting programs in accountability, conflict prevention, team building, change and time management, sales and customer service. Please give her a big hand. I would like to invite invite Ms. Namrata Thakkar on stage, please. An ever-smiling, bubbly woman. I met her a few months ago, and I was so impressed with her smiling persona. She's an Australian citizen and founder of Entrepreneur Excel. She is the proud winner of Women Achiever Award 2016 and Networker of the Year Award. Within a year, Entrepreneur Excel has over 13,000 members from all walks of life. It is a platform where everyone gets an opportunity to bond, learn, and empower each other. Please give her a big hand. I would like to call upon stage Mr. Amar Manjal. Mr. Amar Manjal is the president of Lions Club of Bombay, 4 bungalows, and the State Bank Staff Sindhi Circle. He is a philanthropist and social worker and the recipient of Mother Teresa International Award 2012. A businessman by profession, he also is creatively inclined and is a committee member of Freelance Film Journalists Combined. Please give him a big hand. And the 4th chief guest of honor today evening is Lion Purnima Shah. Would you please come on stage, ma'am? Lion Purnima Shah is a microbiology graduate, a co-founder and executive director of DS Actuarial Education Services. Purnima Shah started her journey into Lionism in June 2010. As president, she got Club Excellency Award for the club in the year 2014-15 trophy in each service week. Please give her a big hand. I would like to call upon BG ma'am to felicitate and hand over a small token of appreciation to Doris ma'am. I would like to call upon Reena, one of our advisory committee members, to hand over the gift to Ms. Namrata Thakkar. I would like to call upon Ajit to felicitate Mr. Amar Manjal. And I would like to call upon Neetu Banthia to hand over the gift to Lion Purnima Shah. Thank you so much, all you lovely people, for gracing this occasion and making us proud. We would now listen to all our speakers. I'm sure you all are eagerly awaiting to hear them. And I hand over the mic to Arpita. Thank you so much for coming on stage.
We also have a presence of Zenobia.
Yeah, and I would also like to welcome Zenobia ma'am. Thank you so much for being here, Zenobia ma'am.
ड्यूटी बातें होती रहती हैं. Okay, let's start. Finally, yes. Today we have the privilege of having Dr. Radhakrishnan Pillai as a first speaker. Let me give you a small detail about him. Dr. Radhakrishnan Pillai is the Deputy Director at the University of Mumbai of Leadership Science Program, where he runs academic courses for leaders and aspirants from various fields. He's done an extensive research on Kautilya's Arthashastra, the well-known book on management written in the 4th BC from Chinmaya International Foundation, Kerala, under the guidance of Dr. Gangadharan Nair. He did his MA in Sanskrit and PhD in Arthashastra. He is a certified management consultant from International Institute of Management Consultants. He is a director at SPM Foundation and founder director of Atma Darshan, a spiritual tourism company. With nearly 25 years of combined working and business experience, he is a well-known management speaker, trainer, author, and consultant. He has written nearly 200 articles and papers for various magazines, newspapers, and journals. He has also hosted a radio show, Ask Chanakya, on Moksha channel of World Space Satellite Radio. He has represented India in various national and international conferences, including World Congress of Philosophy in Athens, Greece, Academy of Management in San Antonio, Texas, USA, Indian Philosophical Congress, and chaired session at Afro-Asian Philosophical Congress, taught in Germany, Heidelberg and Cologne universities, Dubai, Muscat, Singapore, Indonesia, and UK, that is at Oxford and Cambridge, to name a few. His first book, Corporate Chanakya, has been on the bestseller list since its launch and has a unique distinction of being made into an audio book that's the world's first management film on Chanakya's teachings, Chanakya Speak, and translated into 10 regional languages. His second book, Chanakya's 7 Secrets of Leadership, has created waves in corporate world. His third bestseller book, Chanakya in You, has gotten various awards, including India's most popular crossword Raymond Book of the Year 2016. He is a visiting faculty in prestigious institutes of India and abroad, including the IIT, IIM, Indian Institute of Sciences, amongst others. He has been awarded the prestigious Sardar Patel International Award 2009 and Avishkar Chanakya Innovation Reward Award, Research Award 2013 for his research and contribution in the field of management and industrial development. Recently, he has been honored with the Lokmat National Leadership Award as the best professor in philosophy. He is also rated amongst the top 30 Indian management thinkers globally by Thinkers50.com. And today, he should enlighten us on the topic Chanakya Niti in daily life. Please welcome Dr. Radhakrishnan Pillai. Round of applause, please, ladies and gentlemen, for this amazing, amazing gentleman. Dr. Pillai.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
First of all, thanks to all the organizers, Biji ma'am, Ajit sir, and of course Suresh sir. I think he's around here. Yes, sir. Sorry. So, it's always inspiring to speak at different places. My teacher told me, one day, one lecture. Every day, one lecture. That will make it 365 lectures. So, I make sure that I speak somewhere or other every day. So, sometimes I take a lecture in the university. Sometimes people like this, and sometimes at home, you have children, so you have to speak to them also. But there is one person whom you cannot, take away from your life, that is your wife. So every day I get one lecture from her also, for coming in late and not informing her, about the dinner that, I miss. Usually I go out and then, होता ये है कि खाना खा के आता है, बोलता मैंने तो बना के रखा, या फ्रिज में डाल के सो जा. So when Vijay ma'am and Ajit sir met me a few weeks ago and we were planning of this particular program, the first question that I always asked was, what is expected from me to speak to this good audience? And then they gave me a complete description of the growth journey. And then he said, okay, you should talk about your growth story. And I said, okay, it's always good to tell about your story, right? And then finally, after one point it becomes like, अरे ये खुद के बारे में बड़ा बात करता है. My story, how I became big, and how I'm successful. It is important to tell growth stories of yourself, but what is very important to actually also share that what are the principles in your life which made you grow and which can be also helpful to others. So what I was thinking is that if you just saw that beautiful logo that they have created, logo or the diagram that created, I liked it very much because if you look at it, there is a triangle and there is a sun on the top. And then I started relating and saying that this is how life's growth should be. There are two types of growth. One is called the external growth and one is called the internal growth. Unfortunately, whether we like it or no, the external growth stops. There's a point of time when the external growth stops. But the beautiful part and the interesting part is that your inner growth can never stop. It can only go on increasing. For example, एक छोटा बच्चा होता है ना, वो grow होता है. And then, some school children feel, I'm not that tall, I'm not that slim. So he or she does some exercise to pull each other up, So maximum you can go is 6.5, inches or whatever, 6.5 feet. And then you can build yourself. But you remember one thing, after 2021 your growth stops, isn't it? The physical growth. Then you can beautify a little bit, but आपको पता है कि इसके ऊपर नहीं, because the inner organ starts giving up. Then there's a limit. But the interesting part is that the growth from the physical body may have stopped, and sometimes it's only go degrading after 40 because your physical challenges starts. But your inner growth actually can be to such an extent that at the end of it, it's a sun which shows wisdom. So, I would like to say what one of the greatest authors that ever happened in our generation, Dr. Stephen Covey. Many of you must have read his book. And if you have not read his book, I would suggest please read his book, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. I mean, if you want to ever read a book in lifetime, I would say recommend one book, that is 7 Habits. And in 7 Habits, he gives a very interesting example, and I want all of you to practice it, maybe before you go tonight home and sleep. He says, imagine, whatever age you are, okay? Imagine that you are dead. ऐसा सोचो कि हम मर चुके हैं. But don't imagine that you're dead and gone. You are dead, but you are there. Not bhuta. So your body is lying over there. And you can watch everybody around you, your family, your friends, your colleagues, your children, everybody is over there, your neighbors, and they're taking your body to the graveyard. And then, after all your funeral is over, there's a small prayer meeting. I think most of us have prayer meeting, right? And then imagine people from different walks of your life are there in that prayer meeting. And each one of them stands up and starts speaking about their experiences with you. So the first will be your family member, right? So your wife or your husband, your children, your family members. So you are lying over there, you are dead actually, yet you are listening to what these people are going to say. So the first is the family members, and what would they say that you want to actually listen? And then there is somebody from your professional life, your office colleague, your boss, your subordinate. They are coming up and talking about you, their experiences with you. What do you want to listen from them? And the third is the people of your community. So we also work with communities, right? Samaj, maybe a temple, a church, or wherever you are, right? Where we do social contribution, philanthropical contribution. Like we have the Lions Club over here, some members of the Lion Club. What would you want those people to speak about you? And then suddenly, if you do this exercise, your life will change. Because do you want your family members to say, "Acha ho gaya, buddha mar gaya"? Would you like to listen to that? Or what do you want your family members to talk about when you're already dead and gone? How wonderful you are. What a great man he was, right? I'm so proud to have a Bechara chala gaya. So that means lifelong you are supported by them. Bechara chala gaya. अच्छा हो गया, निकल गया. आप बताइए, आपके जिंदगी में आप क्या चाहोगे कि आपके ही परिवार के लोग जब आप चल बसेंगे तो क्या सोचेंगे और क्या आपके बारे में बोलेंगे? I mean, a normal human being would want them to feel that absolutely and positively missing. Yeah. And imagine what your office colleague would like to speak about you. उसका काम मुझे करना पड़ेगा. बहुत अच्छे थे, इन्होंने मुझे हेल्प किया वगैरह वगैरह. And what would the people from your community want you to speak about? I mean them to speak about you. Absolutely. बहुत डोनेशन दिया, मेरा बेटी का पढ़ाई में हेल्प किया, शादी में हेल्प किया वगैरह वगैरह. Now please understand this. Dr. Stephen Covey says that this is a very, very interesting way to look back at your life, back to the future. Okay, so imagine you are, let's say, 20 or 40 or whatever age, 60, and you're dying at 80, but you start looking at life from 80 to your age, and then you start living your life saying that this is how I want to die, not this is how I want to live. There's a big difference, huh? मुझे कैसे मरना है ये हमारे हाथ में नहीं है, बट मरने के बारे में सोचोगे तो हमें ये पता चलता है कि हमें जीना कैसे है. It's very interesting exercise. People are afraid of their death, but people should be afraid of what will people tell after their death. And I'll tell you something about death. Death will only come for one moment, that half a second, 1 minute, whatever it is. But imagine that whole 60, 70, 80, 90 years of your life, you're worried about that one moment. You're just creating, but you want to live your life in such a way that you will be a legend. You will leave behind a legacy. So I'll tell you about a death. People are so afraid of their life, कैसे खत्म होगा, क्या हो गया, कि मरने के चिंता में जीना भूल जाते हैं. So there was a particular person, he went to another person and he was a fisherman. Okay? तो उसने पूछा कि आप करते क्या हो? तो बोलता है, I'm a fisherman, so I take a boat, I go into the sea, I catch fish, come back and sell it. And he knew some of his background, okay? तो बोलता है, अच्छा, you still continue fishing? बोलता है, yeah, for generations I've been fishing. Tell me, how did your grandfather die? बोलता है, my grandfather was also a fisherman, right? So he went into the sea, and one day a storm came, and he died in that storm. Oh, so your grandfather was a fisherman, he went into the storm, and the storm caught him and he died. And how about your father? My father was also a fisherman. Okay? And he also went into the sea one day and there's a storm and he died in that storm, the boat capsized and he drowned. Oh, so your father also died being a fisherman? Yes. Your grandfather also died being a fisherman? He said, yes. Do you know what? My great grandfather also died like that. So this guy said, and you are still a fisherman? So this man says, can I ask you a question? Yeah, please ask. How did your grandfather die? तो बेड पे सोया था मर गया. अच्छा. How did your father die? तो बोलता वो भी ऐसे बेड पे सोया था मर गया. तो बोलता अच्छा एवरीडे तू सोता है? On the same bed? You also sleep flat on the same bed? बोलता हाँ. And then it hit to him that it is not how you're going to die. You may have a peaceful death or you may have a death of drowning, but that is not under your control. The question is that how did you live? And that's why it's very important. In the next 20 minutes, I'm going to talk about certain principles of living which will actually be growth in life. Dekho, let me tell you this particular thing, friends, that I have been so fortunate. I've been so lucky, and thanks to God, that I interact with people from various walks of life, and all of them, very successful people, multi-billionaires, richest men of this world I have interacted with one-to-one, stayed in the houses, palaces, mansions. And this is one question that I keep asking myself, that what is the secret of their success? And we should all know that, right? Why are people successful and why are people not successful? And let me tell you here very clearly, success is not just because of hard work. Success is not just because of commitment and persistence. Yes, they are important. ये जरूरत है कि कोई भी आप चीज लाइफ में लो तो उसमें कमिटमेंट होना चाहिए, हार्ड वर्क होना चाहिए, सब कुछ होना चाहिए. But I want to tell you something. All those successful people told something very interesting. It is because of a major factor called luck. Is it true? No. Now here comes the challenge that Warren Buffett, all of you know him? Yes. Bill Gates, all of you know him? So Warren Buffett said this very nicely. He said, there are a lot of people more intelligent than me. I'm not necessarily the most intelligent man. I may be one of the richest men in the world. But the most intelligent man works under me. And I wonder why. Probably I'm lucky. Probably I am. But I want to change this into an Indian perspective. In India, we don't call it luck. We call it God's grace. Because luck मतलब ego आ सकता है ना, I'm lucky, you are not. जब अल्लाह मेहरबान तो गधा ये लाइफ में याद रखना. गधा मत बनना, लेकिन पहलवान बनने के बाद भी याद रखना कि एक जमाने में मैं गधा था. In a growth journey, always be humble. I've seen a lot of successful people who forget their past when they become successful. And I want each one of you to be successful, but remember from where you started. And the worst thing is that you will be successful and you leave your friends behind. अकेले जीते तो क्या जीते, लोगों को साथ में लेके चला तो कुछ तो उसको कहते हैं जीत. It's important that in a growth journey, don't think about your journey, it's our journey. It has to be with others. And let me tell you this, friends, that successful people are not successful because they are successful, because they think about others. They think about their family, they think about their society, they think about everybody else. And this is the first lesson of leadership that we teach at the Bombay University. I want to tell you this because if you've seen my introduction, I'm a leadership trainer. And I wouldn't say trainer, I'm a teacher, I'm an academician. And like we have history, geography, mathematics, various subjects, right? Now we have a subject called management. Many of them do MBA, BMS, whatever, right? So now in the Bombay University, first time in the world, we have actually started a 2 years master's program on leadership as a science. And my students are from the age group of 21 to 64. And my first class, now the exams are going on by the way. My first class, the first thing I told them, there are 31 students in that class, and all of them, by the way, are CEOs of company, diamond merchants. They're all big in their own field. They come work in multinational companies. And I told them first thing is that even if one student fails in the class, I will say the whole class has failed. You'll be surprised the way they prepare for the examinations are amazing. You know, there are a lot of students who sometimes cannot attend classes because of the work, because of the travel. But you'll be surprised. Last 2 days I've been taking their exams. Each of them shares the notes with each other. The student who is the most weakest is actually supported by the most intelligent student. Doro mat, main tere saath hai. You have to understand this, that leadership and success in life is not about you. It's about people being along with you. देखिए, for so many years, okay, India had something called as shortage psychology. You know what is shortage psychology? मेरे को नहीं मिला तो पता नहीं वो लेके जाएगा. And there was a generation, believe me, when I was a child, there used to be people who used to stand in a line for 1 liter of milk. Ration होता था और डर लगता था कि वो चला गया तो मुझे नहीं मिलेगा. And that was a poor India, by the way. And there used to be ration shops. I don't know how many people even know this. Today you talk about Aadhaar card. There used to be a ration card. Your identity in the existence of this particular country is that you had a ration card. You remember that? और वहां पे there was a lot of competition. You versus me. And all the parents started doing this more in the education system and saying that there can be only one person first in the class. बाकी सब useless. और एक अगर 2 बच्चे हैं घर पे तो छोटा बच्चा अगर स्पोर्ट्स में अच्छा है तो मम्मी बोलते स्पोर्ट्स ठीक है, वो देख तेरा बड़ा भैया कैसा क्लास में फर्स्ट आता है. You already killed that child even before he's born. There was something called as comparison and there was something called as competition that was fed into your mind again and again and again and again, saying that your benchmark is the next boy or the next girl. शर्मा जी का बेटा वो कर रहा है, गुप्ता जी का बेटा वो क्यों नहीं कर रहा है? और उस जनरेशन के जो लोग हैं, they always believed in shortage psychology. But today's generation is different. Your growth is not you versus me, your growth is you and me. Therefore, from competition, we need to understand collaboration for our growth and the growth of everybody. So my question here, friends, is that success has to be redefined. It can't be me, I, myself. It has to be we, ours, and all put together. I want to tell you a very interesting real life story that happened in Europe. You know, in Europe, like any other government, there are government departments. So the agriculture department does a lot of research, and what they do is that they have this, farmer of the year, who does the best produce, the best output of the farms. So there was this particular farmer in a small village, of course, but every year he will get the best farmer award. First year, best farmer, second year, best farmer, third year. This government suddenly started noticing, ये एक आदमी है, उसको हर साल, whatever he does, every time something unique he will do, and then that growth of that particular crop is excellent, the quality is excellent, but second year also it is excellent. He will try some new crop also, it is excellent. So this government authorities suddenly started noticing this guy from a very small place, but they said, okay, there is something unique about him. So they called him and then said, please tell us your success story. And this particular farmer never understood कि क्या ठीक है और मिलता है तो मिलता है, नहीं मिलता तो नहीं मिलता है, उसमें क्या है? What is the success story? I don't have any success story. I do my work very well. That's it. No. But हर मैच में सेंचुरी मारता है. क्या है इसका story? And he said something interesting, saying that I have always believed in one thing. If I'm doing farming, I should do the best farming. And when I do the next farming, I should not continue it just like that. I should make it better than the first one. So what I do is that I spend a lot of time in research. I try to find out, I read a little bit of books. And I have some friends who are agricultural scientists in one of our universities. वो जाता है, उसको पूछता है, अभी next crop क्या है? तो agricultural scientist बोलता है, there is new crop, genetical engineering. Oh, okay, I will try it. And then, that is better because latest, right? You will get a new produce, then new produce. Then, they said, okay, so your success story of being a good farmer is that everything new that comes in, you try and apply, right? Is that your success story? By the way, let me tell you this. Friends, if you are trying and experimenting anything new again and again, that will make you one of the world best, huh? Don't be stuck up with the old. Appreciate the old, but keep trying something new. How many of you knew that Shammi Kapoor, the actor, was India's first internet user? He was the first to buy Apple phone, and actually Apple sent down an employee of theirs to hand over one of the latest Apple phones of that generation. When Shammi Kapoor was old, see, actors have a life cycle, right? They can't keep working forever and ever, right? There are exceptions, of course, like Amitabh Bachchan and Sharmila Tagore. So when a person like Shammi Kapoor was working, he always wanted something new. And by the way, he was a heartthrob in his generation because he had the latest fashion also. Huh? The hairstyle, the clothings. So this farmer said something interesting. He said that, yes, I try to find out the latest. But do you know what? If I have the latest, if I have the best of the farm, that is not enough for success. These people ask, then what is the secret of the success? The moment I get a seed which is the most unique, the best, I try and give it to all the farmers around. What? आप सोचिए, आपके पास सब कुछ लेटेस्ट है, आजू बाजू को दोगे आप? You have got it, you have spent the money, you spend your time, effort and got that latest seed and the agriculture technique, and you say the first thing I do is that I give the seeds to everybody around. In all my villages, I call them and I discuss it. Dekho, I call that professor and tell him, please give a lecture on how to do this. Why do you do that? And he said something very interesting. And this is going to be the real secret of my talk today. He said, nature has got a law, and it's called the law of farming. You know, we men believe in borders, but actually nature doesn't understand borders. Right? So if you look at a farm, have you seen a farm in a village? Yes. And sometimes we people sitting in Bombay don't even know what a farm is, right? So please go just 100 kilometers outside Bombay city, you'll see what beautiful a country life is, a village life is. So a farm will have many farmers around, isn't it? And interestingly, the water is the same, the wind is the same, the birds are the same, isn't it? So you may have a piece of farm, but it's surrounded by many farms. And this successful farmer said something interesting. He said, if I am in the center and I have the best produce, and आजू बाजू वालों के पास अगर best produce नहीं है, I also can't produce the best. No, explain. तो देखो, मेरे फार्म में अच्छा पानी डाला, अच्छा खेत डाला, अच्छा seeds डाला, it will grow. But you know what? आजू बाजू में गंदगी है ना? They are not the best. Now the wind that will come will be of a low quality to my farm, which is the best quality. So my best quality becomes the low quality. So even if I do myself the best, the surroundings will not support me. So I have one technique. I make everybody better and best. And automatically I become the number one in that. So पहले उनको seeds दो, उनको बोलता हूँ देखो पानी ऐसे डालना है, वो डालना है, ये डालना है. And as a byproduct, I get number one. सोचिए, हम जीते तो जीत है, बट यू नो व्हाट, यू विल बी अ लोनर, क्योंकि आपके साथ लोग इतने पीछे रह जाएंगे, दे विल फाइंड अ गैप. इफ यू डोंट नो, बिकॉज यू आर सक्सेसफुल, राइट, एंड दोस पीपल आर हियर, उनको डर लगने लगता है. डोंट गो अप, यस गो अप, बट यू नो समटाइम्स गो डाउन, टेक दोस पीपल अलोंग विथ यू. दैट इज लीडरशिप, दैट इज रियल सक्सेस. I know of a person, I will not put his name, a very, very successful rich businessman. And he told me something else. And for me, I think that is the greatest leadership lesson I ever learned as far as business is concerned. Well, you know, business में पैसा बनाना पड़ता है, right? I mean, a successful man when you create money, right? But he said something deep. He said, businessman who is successful financially can only solve one problem in life, and that is called financial problems. जिसका पैसा है ना, उसे पैसे का प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर सकता है. But what about relationships? Can money replace relationships? No. So मैं क्या करता हूँ कि जब भी मुझे पैसा आ गया तो मतलब ठीक है, इस पैसे के साथ मेरा पैसे का प्रॉब्लम तो सॉल्व हो गया, right? But can I help the others in some way or the other? So when you become successful, teach your success story to others. Those who are not successful, lift them. Create an environment where people encourage and collaborate with each other. I like to stop with a few Chanakya angles, and of course I'll talk about my book also. How many of you heard about Chanakya? Okay, if not, then I'll start today. So Chanakya was, of course, a person who lived in the 4th century BC, roughly 2,400 years ago. He was a great man, a visionary, and most important, he was a nation builder. Rashtra Nirmata, great man, of course, visionary. And when I studied his life, I realized one thing, that he was totally selfless. सबको successful बनाता था, लेकिन अपने बारे में भूल जाता था वो. And then there was a friend of his who was a classmate. He asked him something. Vishnu, one of his name was Vishnu Gupta, saying that तो सबके लिए इतना करता है, अपने लिए कभी कुछ सोचता है कि नहीं सोचता है? And he said something like, अपने लिए सोचने के लिए मुझे समय ही नहीं रहता. जब दूसरों के लिए आप सोचते हो तो मेरे लिए समय ही नहीं रहता. तो his friend, as a classmate, he said, यार ये तो बहुत बड़ी बड़ी बातें हो गई, मुझे समझ में नहीं आता, आप थोड़ा साधारण उदाहरण से बताइए. चाणक्य सेड समथिंग, उस जमाने में, एंड आई होपफुली इस जमाने में भी अभी है थोड़ा बहुत, और आगे के जमाने में भी होना चाहिए. एंड ही गिव्स एन एग्जांपल ऑफ अ विलेज, गांव. Please understand, all people staying in city should understand the value of what villagers believe in. The great village life is great life. So he said, गांव में ना जब शादी होती है, चाणक्य is telling his friend, तो वहां पे कोई भी ऐसा नहीं बोलता है कि मेरी बेटी की शादी हो रही है. वहां पे ऐसा कहता है कि हमारे गांव की बेटी की शादी हो रही है. And there's some new values we should know that, and I've seen this personally. I was in a very poor village in Gujarat once, and I was quite surprised, and this is many years ago, of course, saying that there was a particular girl जिसकी बारात निकलने वाली थी, and then comes this barati, and something happens, and that whole barat goes without the girl, and that मुखिया of that village, the leader, बोला अरे यार मैं तो तैयार होकर शादी में जा रहा हूँ, ये बारात वापस क्यों जा रही है? शादी जल्दी खत्म हो गया क्या? तो नहीं शादी नहीं, पता नहीं कुछ तो लेन देन का मामला है. तो I think they are not ready to accept that girl. That मुखिया got so angry, and he said, वापस बुलाओ, जो देना है अब भी दो. हमारे गांव से कोई भी बारात बिना दुल्हन को लेके नहीं जाएगी. That girl was not that मुखिया's daughter. वो किसी पुअर फार्मर का था. जब गांव में शादी होती है, इट इज ए कंप्लीट कलेक्टिव रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ दैट विलेज टू मेक श्योर दैट शी गोज एज ए हैप्पीली मैरिड ब्राइड. चाणक्य वाज टेलिंग दिस, सेइंग दैट मेरे लिए हर व्यक्ति इस समाज में सुखी होना चाहिए. दैट्स व्हाट आई एम वर्किंग. एंड दिस फ्रेंड ऑफ हिज वाज आल्सो स्मार्ट. तो बोला देखिए भैया, आप दूसरों की शादी करते रहते हो, आपकी तो शादी हुई नहीं. चाणक्य नेवर गॉट मैरिड. बट आपके परिवार का क्या? उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा बात बताया. ही सेइंग दैट अगेन ही गिव द एग्जांपल ऑफ अ वेडिंग. देखिए जब गांव में शादी होती है, शहर में शादी होती है, नाउ दैट इज नॉट डिफरेंट. इमेजिन अ फादर who wants to get his daughter married, right? And it's a marriage day. Rich father or poor father, whatever. And let's say there are 1,000 people who are coming for the wedding. India में 1,000 people भी कम है, right? The problem in our country is not whom to invite, whom not to invite. So it's a big marriage. Tell me, on that day, when let's say there are 1,000 people who are going to have a lunch or a dinner, is the father worried about मेरा dinner का क्या होगा? He's thinking, oh, इतना लोग है, मेरा खाना है, shortage psychology. Will he stand in line? Where does he get the happiness from? Making people eat. And what happens to that father? Does he have his lunch? No. He forgets he's going to have lunch, right? But what happens with all of them get together? Like, हो गया सबका, आप बैठो अभी, आपको खाना खिलाते हैं हम लोग, right? So number one, you're happy because working for others, but let me tell you, the people will take care of you. वो आपको अच्छा खिलाएंगे और special खिलाएंगे. So success in life is not when you work for others, please understand, others also work for you. Okay? So I like to stop by telling, value relationships, make sure others are also successful, and finally, please read books. ये books में से कहानियां नहीं निकलती, बहुत सारे लोगों के experience निकलते हैं. And the latest book that I'm going to release now is called Chanakya in Daily Life. I will tell you just 2-3 things about the book, and I will stop and I will request dignitaries to come and launch the book. Chanakya in Daily Life is a very interesting and different book that I have written. This is my 5th book, by the way, on Chanakya. The first book was Corporate Chanakya. The second book was Chanakya's 7 Secrets of Leadership, co-authored with D. Shivanandan, who was the former Director General of Maharashtra Police. Chanakya in You, which again got the Best Book Award recently. Then of course Katha Chanakya, and now Chanakya in Daily Life. When the publishers approached me, Rupa, they said, आप चाणक्य के चाणक्य में बात करते हो, he's a great man, I don't understand, but can I apply it in my daily life? Why not? So this book is how we can help each other and grow in a journey on a daily basis. Short chapters, 3 minutes each, you can read it up. And each of this is like a daily capsule. सुबह उठते हो ना, brush करते हो, and then स्नान करते हो, then you get ready. Now it is like a part of your routine. So what I'm saying is that, friends, make books also a part of your routine. It's an intellectual exercise. Physical exercise करते हैं हम लोग, खाना खाते हैं and all those things. And for the mind, we do some meditation, but for intellectual growth, you should also read books. Of course, I'm only talking about my book, but have a collection of books. Make a small library in your house, but read at least one chapter a day of any particular book. So in this particular book, what I've said, small tips. How to get up, what to do, when to do, where to do, what to do with people, and everything that you do on a daily basis, small, will make you successful. So let's take one idea about parenting from the book on a daily basis. Chanakya says, advice to parents by the way, for 5 years, love your child. For the next 10 years, discipline him or her. And after that, consider your child as your friend. There's no greater psychology of parenting that I've ever heard. Because 5 years का बच्चा जो होता है, आपका मोबाइल फेंक दिया, तोड़ दिया, आप उसको मार सकते हो क्या? तोड़ दिया, अच्छा है, चलो फोटोग्राफ ले लो, मेरा iPhone 7 तोड़ दिया. Because 5-year-old child doesn't understand anything. But the moment he or she becomes 6 years old, the intellect starts questioning, isn't it? Why, how, all that, right? You have to give it a shape, a discipline. So for the next 10 years, you should be able to discipline it. But you know what? At the end of it, after 15 years when the child is there, don't consider that child as a child. It's a teenager and a grown-up child. Isn't it true? Yeah. And the only advice I always give to parents is that, please understand this, what Chanakya said. Parenting is not an identity for life. It is a role in life which has to end. What we do is that 60 साल का बच्चे को भी 70-80 साल की माँ बोलते हैं बेटा उठो अरे यार. So we need to understand life on a daily basis or as a complete basis is when to move from one role to another. So this joke is like this, and I written in my book. One mother was waking up her son, बेटा उठो स्कूल जाना है. मैं बोला नहीं, सोने दो. After some time, बेटा उठो स्कूल जाना है. नहीं मम्मा मुझे सोने दो. बेटा उठो स्कूल जाना है. Finally gets very irritated. And then मम्मी बोलते बेटा उठो स्कूल जाना है, तुम स्कूल के प्रिंसिपल हो. And then वो बेटा उठ के बोलता मम्मा हाँ आप तो याद रखो कि मैं स्कूल का प्रिंसिपल हूँ, मुझे पता है कब जाना है. Thank you so much. Vinod, can you get me the books? Yeah. Thank you.
Well, we've been talking about surprises, and today we have this beautiful, beautiful book launch of Dr. Pillai. Dr. Pillai, before we go ahead with the book launch, there's one thing that I would like to say. You know, everyone, it's a sign of a genius to say complicated things in a simplified manner. Chanakya Niti has never been easy. Sir, I have a book. Kuch samajh mein nahi aata.
Okay.
That's a different thing altogether. But the way you've explained things, the way you've explained the concepts, using our daily life, words, चीजें कहते हैं ना घोट के पी गए, ये उस तरीके से हो गया कि ये गुट्टी हमें भी आ गई और हमें हजम भी हुई. So बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, wonderfully put in through. And I would like to call upon Suresh ji, I would like to call upon Biji and Rashida ji for the book launch, and along with Miss Namrata, I would like to request you to come up and give us the honor and help us launch the book, please. Thank you.
Thank you.
Round of applause, please. It's a beautiful book launch. We all are today here for the book launch of Dr. Radhakrishnan Pillai.
You also stand. Yeah, of course.
And the book is being launched. Book खुल रही है, पीला कवर. क्या बात है, very beautiful. Thank you, sir.
This book is available at a discounted rate if you want autographs and photographs. I'm around. But what is important is that, buying of the book is one part of it. Please read this book, gift it to others, because we have to spread Indian knowledge to our own generations. So what I'm saying, if you want to have a look at the book, it's all around. But what is very important is that Indian knowledge is coming back to this world, right? And we have a small role to play. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Dr. Pillai. Thank you very much. I was just trying to get a copy of the book, and I think I need to wait. Our next speaker has been a part of a team since its conception. His simple and effusive manner has always been helpful whenever I have been in sticky situations. Before delving into more of his personality, let me show you a side of his personal life as well. Ajit Vidyadharan is currently the Chief Happiness Coach and founder of InkBiz Relationship Coaches for nurturing relationships that bring you prosperity, peace, happiness, and abundance in life. His organization, InkBiz, stands for Increase Belief in Yourself. It pains him to see how many of us are living far below our potential. He has also seen that taking control of one's life is very simple. He's passionate about his mission to contribute to making people believe more in themselves and achieve their dreams. He has directly added value to the lives of 7,600 plus individuals and families by using personal coaching, counseling and mentoring, training. He's a certified leadership coach from RCS Australia, that's Results Coaching Systems, and has several other international certifications in management training, service excellence, virtual training, customer service, and sales. He has groomed managers and leaders from global clientele like US, UK, Germany, Australia, Malaysia, India, Singapore, in multicultural industry and products. The industries or organizations he has added value include names like Airtel, Blue Star, Central Bank, SR Steel, Gati, HSBC, IFIM, Indian Oil Corporation, JP Morgan, L&T, LIC, Options, that is Premier Clothing, Sintel, Tata Memorial Hospital, etc. His interventions are based on a highly customized fusion of Eastern, Western, and Eastern wisdom, Western tools and techniques. He can help you lead happier lives and wealthier lives by transforming your relationship with yourself, that's friends and family, clients and customers, money and wealth. And today, he shall speak about the power of belief. Please welcome Mr. Ajit Vidyadharan.
सब हंसता हुआ जो जाएगा वो मुकद्दर का सिकंदर, वो मुकद्दर का सिकंदर जान मन कहलाएगा। नमस्कार, आपकी आवाज में दम नहीं है। नमस्कार, हैप्पी इवनिंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू। थैंक यू वेरी मच। मैं अजित विद्याधरन, आपका दोस्त, आप सभी का यहां पर स्वागत करता हूं। वेलकम टू दिस लवली इवनिंग ऑफ द ग्रोथ जर्नी एंड आई एम हैप्पी टू बी हियर। मुकद्दर का सिकंदर, हर कोई यहां पर मुकद्दर का सिकंदर बनना चाहता है कि नहीं? यस और यस। अगर आप कहते हो कि यस तो हाथ ऊपर कीजिए। ऑल दोस हु से दैट यू वांट टू बी मुकद्दर का सिकंदर, अपना तकदीर खुद लिखना चाहते हो, हाथ ऊपर कीजिए। पूरा हाथ ऊपर। ये मतलब आधा है। निर्णय कीजिए कि आपको करना क्या है जिंदगी में। यस तो यस, नहीं तो नहीं, लेकिन बीच में लटकना नहीं, वरना आप जिंदगी में लटक जाओगे और कहीं के भी नहीं रह पाओगे। यस और यस। हर कोई मुकद्दर का सिकंदर बनना चाहता है, हर कोई खुश रहना चाहता है। The only purpose that we have on this planet is to be happy, to be happier. है कि नहीं? Yes. और सिर्फ खुशी से क्या हमारी जिंदगी बन जाती है? खुशी के साथ में और भी कुछ चाहिए कि नहीं हमें? और क्या चाहिए हमें खुशी के साथ में? और क्या चाहिए? परिवार चाहिए। यस, लेकिन परिवार भी हम खुशी के लिए करते हैं। हम खुश है तो परिवार खुश है, परिवार खुश है तो हम खुश है। जिग जिगलर ने कहा है, मनी इज नॉट द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इन लाइफ, इट कम्स सेकेंड only to oxygen. Yes or yes? तो हमें खुश रहना है और हमें पैसे भी चाहिए. All of us want to be happier and we want to be wealthier. Yes or yes? Yes. क्या हम हर कोई दिल पर एक हाथ रख के कहिए, पूछिए अपने आप से, am I living to my full potential? Am I as happy as I could have ever been? Am I earning as much wealth as I could? दिल पर हाथ रखिए, मुझे जवाब मत दीजिए, जवाब आपको पता है. You know the answer. And क्या होता है? What happens? Why are we not able to live the life that we want to live? Why is it that we start doubting ourselves many times? Why is it कि सिर्फ अमिताभ बच्चन मुकद्दर के सिकंदर में मुकद्दर का सिकंदर बन जाता है? ऐसा क्यों है कि बड़े बड़े सेलिब्रिटीज खुश रहते हैं, अमीर रहते हैं? अमिताभ बच्चन, सचिन तेंदुलकर, माधुरी दीक्षित, पीवी सिंधु, आप किसी का भी नाम लीजिए, हर कोई, एनी सेलिब्रिटी, अंबानी, आनंद महिंद्रा, किसी का भी नाम लीजिए, एनीबडी ऑन दिस प्लैनेट हु इज रिच एंड सक्सेसफुल एंड हैप्पी, कभी तो वो फेलियर थे. Sometimes in life when they started, they failed. And they failed and they failed. One thing what they really did not give up was the belief in themselves. And that belief what they had in themselves is what brought them where they are, give them all the happiness and all the richness that they have and they are living. बताइए, एक सवाल आप लोग से क्या पूछ सकता हूं? May I ask you a question? Who is the most important person on this planet? इस धरती का सबसे महत्वपूर्ण इंसान कौन है? अरे यहां के सब फ्रंट रो में ये दिस इज चीटिंग. हाँ, फ्रंट रो में सब ट्रेनर्स बैठे हुए इसलिए बोलते माई सेल्फ. बाकी के लोग का क्या हो गया? हाँ, अच्छा वहां भी ट्रेनर बैठे हैं. ग्रेट. Myself. Yes, that is the answer. The most important person on this planet is I, me, myself. मैं हूं तो जहां है. अगर मैं नहीं तो कुछ भी नहीं. If I'm not able to be believing in myself, if I'm not happy with myself, I cannot make anybody happy. If I'm not able to connect with myself, I'm not able to connect with anyone else. I'm not able to build relationships. I'm not able to do business. I'm not able to excel in the work that I'm doing. All this comes from within. Swami Vivekananda has said, all the strength and succor that you need is there within you. आप में हर किसी में वो ताकत है, that power है, energy है. Do you want to see a demo? Yes. Okay. तो हम कुछ मस्ती करते हैं. करने के लिए तैयार है आप? Okay. मैं कुछ बताऊंगा आपको और आप सुनिए. उसके बाद में हम साथ में करेंगे. Okay? First, think about an experience in your life which has made you very happy. Anytime you think about that particular moment, that experience, you are fully charged, you're fully enthusiastic, and you're fully positive. सबने सोच लिया? एक कोई सिचुएशन, हजारों होंगे, लाखों होंगे, पर किसी एक सिचुएशन पर, एक एक्सपीरियंस पर केंद्रित कीजिए. Anchor your thoughts on that. Yes? Okay. दूसरी बात करने के लिए आप लोगों को थोड़ा सा तकलीफ दूंगा मैं, और आप लोगों को थोड़ा सा मैं उठाऊंगा. प्लीज, may I request all of you to please stand up wherever you are. खड़े हो जाइए प्लीज. ओके, और आपके हाथ में अगर कुछ हो, मोबाइल हो, पेन हो, वॉलेट हो, हैंकरचिफ हो, कुछ भी हो, प्लीज बाजू में रख दीजिए, कोई यहां से चुरा के लेके नहीं जाएगा, यहां पर सीसीटीवी कैमराज है, सुरेश करके स्काई सीसीटीवी यहां पर लगे हुए हैं, तो अगर कुछ हो गया उस नीच तो we will find out who it is and you will get what your own things. Now, करना क्या है हमें? सबसे पहले हाथ खुले छोड़ दिए, हाथ बांध के मत रखिए, अपने आप को मत बांधिए, हाथ खुले छोड़िए, leave it loose on your side. Okay? Up, you will take 3 deep breaths the way I ask you to, please. Okay? पहले एक लंबी सांस नाक से लेंगे, you will hold it and then मुंह से बाहर छोड़ेंगे. For example, like this. Okay? The second one, in through the nose. Hold it, मुंह से बाहर. And then the third one, नाक से अंदर, hold it, और मुंह से बाहर. हो गया. Keep your eyes closed. Think about the situation, the experience that has made you happy. Keep your arms forward at shoulder's length. Touch your palms, and with the thoughts, the positive thoughts in your mind, keep rubbing your palms till I ask you to. I'll count till 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Close your eyes and please concentrate on keep your hands stretched in front of you and keep on rubbing your palms. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Now please pause. Don't move your hand. Keep your palms wherever it is. Slowly, slightly, just 1 centimeter away. Just move them a bit and then try to bring them again together. One more time, move them a little away and get them together. Yes, open your eyes. Did you experience something? When you're keeping your palms together after you're rubbing, you move it away and then bring it together. Does something happen? Please take a seat. Please take a seat. दोस्तों, तालियां बजाना है तो दिल खोल के बजाइए. Thank you. मुझे भी खुशी होती है कि मैं कुछ करने को कहता हूं और आप ताली बजाते हैं. हम भी कलाकार हैं. Thank you. Okay, तो क्या हुआ? When you rubbed your hands and you moved it away, got them back again together, what happened? Anybody? Would you like to share your experience? Magnetism. Magnetism. Very good. Thank you. Let me clap for you, sir. Anyone else over there? क्या हुआ? Did you? Sorry? A lot of heat, yes. So what had happened was the energy that is there within you, the magnetic power, you experienced that yourself. All of us have this energy within us. How many of us are consciously aware of it? How many of us really think that, yes, I am powerful. Yes, I have all the strength that is required to be successful in life. We tend to forget. भूल जाते हैं. Yes or no? हम भूल जाते हैं. तो हमें क्या करना है? To be successful in life, to be happy and to be wealthy, the first thing to do is believe in your own self. क्या आप चाहेंगे कि मैं आपसे शेयर करूं? ये चाबी जो है आपको दूं? How to increase belief in yourself? इसका चाबी चाहिए आपको? Yes. ये सीक्रेट चाबी चाहिए? आपकी जिंदगी बदल जाएगी? चाहिए? Okay, great. तो चाबी ये है. इसको कहते हैं, सबसे पहला हमें चाहिए सेल्फ अवेयरनेस, कि हम कौन है, क्या है, क्यों है, ये हमें पता होना चाहिए. In self-awareness, the first 3 questions that you need to answer to yourself, and you need to know the answers always. The first one is, who am I? मतलब अजीत कौन है ये मत पूछिए, ये खुद से सवाल कीजिए कि who am I? दूसरा सवाल है, what do I want to do or what am I doing? और तीसरा है, why do I do what I do? For example, ये सिर्फ एक उदाहरण के लिए बता रहा हूं मैं. Who am I? I am part of the invincible, infinite universe. I have all the strength within me to do whatever I want. That's who am I? What do I want to do, or what am I doing? I help people believe in themselves by using tools like training, coaching, mentoring, and counseling. That's what I'm doing. Now, why am I doing what am I doing? मैं ये क्यों कर रहा हूं? I'm doing this because I'm passionate about coaching. I'm passionate about empowering people's lives. राधाकृष्ण सर ने अभी कहा था कि don't live for yourself, live for others. मुझे बहुत खुशी होती है जब मैं देखता हूं कि मैं इतना सब कुछ करता हूं और लोगों की जिंदगी बदल जाती है. बहुत 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 धन मिलता है मुझे. धन वो नहीं जो सिर्फ नोट में गिना जाता है. धन ब्लेसिंग्स, बहुत सारे ब्लेसिंग्स मिलते हैं मुझे और इसी से मेरी जिंदगी आगे बढ़ती रहती है. So 3 questions that you need to ask yourself and have the answers always. One is, who am I? What am I doing? What do I want to do? And third is, why do I do what I do? And the third question's answer is the purpose of life. अपनी जिंदगी का मकसद पहचानिए. दूसरा है, आपने सेल्फ अवेयरनेस तो कर लिया. अभी दूसरा है, you need to have good company. Choose your company. Choose your company में क्या आता है? 2 बातें हैं. Choose your thoughts and choose your friends. अपने दोस्तों का चयन कीजिए, अपने thoughts का चयन कीजिए. Now thoughts. All of you have thoughts. Lots of thoughts, thousands and zillions and millions. I don't know how many thoughts you have. Where do these thoughts come from? What is the root, or what are the roots of these causes, of these thoughts? ये thoughts आते कहां से है? Thoughts are based, or it comes from 3 things. Primarily, one is what I see. हम क्या देखते हैं? Then, what I hear and what I read. So what I see, क्या मैं देखता हूं, क्या देख रहा हूं, क्या मैं सुन रहा हूं और क्या मैं पढ़ रहा हूं. सर ने अभी वापस कहा था, थैंक यू वेरी मच सर, यू आर मेकिंग माई लाइफ ईजियर. बहुत सारे रेफरेंस पॉइंट्स मिल गए मुझे आपके साथ रिलेट करने के लिए. कीप ऑन रीडिंग समथिंग. जब मैं देखता हूं कि what अच्छे चीजें देखता हूं मैं, अच्छी चीजें सुनता हूं मैं, अच्छी चीजें पढ़ता हूं मैं, तो अच्छी चीजें अंदर जाती है. कंप्यूटर में कहते हैं गीगो, गार्बेज इन गार्बेज आउट. मैं कहता हूं पीपो, पॉजिटिव इन पॉजिटिव आउट. जब हम नेगेटिव अंदर ले ही नहीं रहे हैं तो नेगेटिव आएगा कहां से? नेगेटिव वहीं से आएगा अगर वो है अंदर. अगर अंदर हम पॉजिटिव ही भर रहे हैं तो फिर पॉजिटिव ही बाहर निकलेगा. तो पीपो. अरे यस, थैंक यू. हंसना है तो दिल खोल के हंसिए. ओके. और दूसरी बात है फ्रेंड्स. फ्रेंड्स ऐसे रखिए, योर फ्रेंड्स, they should love you, they respect you, they encourage you, and they show you ways in which you can improve. क्रिटिक्स बहुत सारे मिल जाते हैं, लेकिन सिर्फ क्रिटिक करके, क्रिटिसिज्म करने वाले हमारा कुछ नहीं कर सकते. हमें सिर्फ नीचा दिखा सकते हैं. लेकिन हमारे दोस्त ऐसे होने चाहिए जो हमारी गलतियां बताते हैं हमें, और हमें यह भी बताते हैं how to correct those mistakes, how to improve on them, so that I become powerful. Right? Great. अगर एक पानी का बूंद गरम तवे पर गिरता है तो कितना देर रुकेगा? When a drop of water falls on a hot plate, how long will it survive? It just vanishes in thin air within a fraction of a second. अगर यही बूंद एक पत्ते के ऊपर गिरता है, drop of water falls on a leaf, बहुत शाइन होता है. थैंक यू वेरी मच. बहुत शाइन होता है, बहुत खूबसूरत लगता है, लेकिन थोड़ी देर में हवा के झोंके के साथ में वो नीचे गिर जाता है. नीचे गिर जाता है, धूल मिट्टी में समा जाता है और उसका भी विनाश हो जाता है. It is the end of it. When a drop of water falls in an oyster, क्या होता है? It becomes a pearl. And many times it becomes an invaluable, a priceless pearl. तो अपने दोस्तों को चुनिए, आप किसके साथ में रहते हैं वो देखिए. When you choose your friends, you are choosing your success. You are writing your destiny. आप सबने देखा बैम्बू का जो बैम्बू शूट्स होता है वो कितना ऊपर जाता है, और जो केले का जो झाड़ होता है वो कितना बड़ा होता है, 6 फुट, 8 फुट, 10 फुट, उसके ऊपर बढ़ता है क्या? एक बार एक प्रयोग किया गया जहां पर बहुत सारे बैम्बू के ट्रीज लगाए गए और उसके बीच में एक बनाना का, केले का झाड़ लगाया गया, और यह देखा गया कि जो नॉर्मली केले का झाड़ 8-10 फीट में ऊपर बंद हो जाता है, उसके ऊपर नहीं बढ़ता है, doesn't grow beyond that. This went on beyond 30 feet. Why? Because everywhere around बाकी के जो पेड़ थे वो बहुत 30 फीट 40 फुट लंबे थे. तो ये संगत का असर है. Friends, choose your friends, right? And the third one, थर्ड वाला क्या है? Third is a positive dialogue with yourself. You've already started thinking positive. You started with positive people around you. And you also need to start speaking positive, not just to others, but even to yourself. Some positive affirmations, what you can use, simple lines. I am unique. हर कोई यहां पर जो है is a unique person. आप जैसा कोई नहीं है. There is nobody like me, there is nobody like you on this planet. The Creator has created you and He has broken that mold, never to make it again. So you are a unique person. There is nobody like you. So पहला statement है I am unique. दूसरा है I am powerful. And the third is I am independent. Independent with capital I and a capital N. I am independent. Sir, thank you. There is nobody on this planet who can say that he is independent without the capital I. How? The very place I'm standing over here, this stage has been built by somebody. This room has been built by somebody. This lighting has been done by somebody. The sound has been given by somebody. Can I do everything on my own? However competent I am, however powerful I am, can I? No. So, I am independent. So these are 3 keys of how you can increase belief in yourself. First is self-awareness. Second is very good. Thank you. Choose a company. And the third is positive dialogue. Okay. इसको याद रखने का एक छोटा सा acronym बनाया मैंने. ACP. A is for awareness, self-awareness. C is for choosing a company. And P is for positive dialogue. ACP. कितना आसान हो जाता है. When you think about, अरे इतने सारे points कैसे याद रखेंगे? तो फिर ACP छोटा सा एक बार. Thank you. You made my day. Thank you. Okay. हम कहते हैं I am unique, I am powerful. मैं आपके साथ में एक गाना शेयर करना चाहूंगा, मैं गाना गाना चाहूंगा. और yes, please, may I please have the song here? ये गाना बताता है कि हम कौन हैं. As a human being, मनुष्य. ये हिंदी में है. से कहता है धरती की शान तू है प्रभु की संतान. यहां पर प्रभु मतलब anybody. It could be Jesus, it could be Krishna, it could be Allah, it could be Vaheguru, it could be anybody. I'm not religion conscious. This is beyond religion. Okay? Atma hai. Atma is the soul, the infinite power. So here we have it. May I? और जहां भी आपको अच्छा लगे तालियां बजा सकते हैं आप और मेरे साथ में भी गा सकते हैं. Okay? धरती की शान तू है प्रभु की संतान, तेरी मुट्ठियों में बंद तूफान है रे. मनुष्य तू बड़ा महान है, भूल मत मनुष्य तू बड़ा महान है. तू जो चाहे पर्वत पहाड़ों को फोड़ दे, तू जो चाहे नदियों के मुख को भी मोड़ दे. तू जो चाहे माटी से अमृत निचोड़ दे, तू जो चाहे धरती को अंबर से जोड़ दे। अमर तेरे प्राण, अमर तेरे प्राण मिला तुझको वरदान, तेरी आत्मा में स्वयं भगवान है रे। मनुष्य तू बड़ा महान है, भूल मत, मनुष्य तू बड़ा महान है। धरती की शान तू है, प्रभु की संतान, तेरी मुट्ठियों में बंद तूफान है रे। मनुष्य तू बड़ा महान है, भूल मत, मनुष्य तू बड़ा महान है। नैनों में ज्वाल, तेरी गति में भूचाल, तेरी छाती में छुपा महाकाल है। पृथ्वी के लाल तेरा हिमगिरी सा भाल, तेरी भ्रुकुटी में तांडव का ताल है। निज को तू जान जरा शक्ति पहचान, तेरी वाणी में युग का आह्वान है रे। The way you speak, what you speak decides your destiny, because what you speak is what you act, and what you act is what you get. The results are the results of your thoughts, your feelings, your actions. धरती की शान तू है, प्रभु की संतान, तेरी मुट्ठियों में बंद तूफान है रे। मनुष्य तू बड़ा महान है, भूल मत, मनुष्य तू बड़ा महान है। धरती सा धीर तू है, अग्नि सा वीर, धरती सा धीर तू है, अग्नि सा वीर, तू जो चाहे काल को भी थाम ले। पापों का प्रलय रुके, पशुता का शीश झुके, तू जो अगर हिम्मत से काम ले। गुरु सा मतिमान, पवन सा तू गतिमान, तेरी नभ से भी ऊंची उड़ान है रे। मनुष्य तू बड़ा महान है, भूल मत, मनुष्य तू बड़ा महान है। थैंक यू वेरी मच। तो आप लोगों को लग रहा है कि आप में कुछ ऊर्जा और आगे बढ़ी है। You're feeling more powerful, you're feeling enthusiastic, feeling charged up? Yes. Fantastic. Thank you. So if this could happen in just about 25 minutes, think about what could happen if you spend the entire day with me and my team. So here we have a program which is called O2 Access. O2 Access. It stands for Ordinary to Extraordinary Success. It's a one-day workshop, and in this workshop, we will have it in a 3-star hotel, and everything, all the expenses are covered in it. What are we going to do in it? We're going to help you be aware of yourself, who you are. We're going to help you identify your purpose in life, the why. Because once you know the why of your life, the how becomes very easy. Most of us are not able to do what we want to do because we don't know why we want to do what we want to do. So we help you identify that. We help you identify things which will make your relationships stronger and make your relationships harmonious so that you spend a great life with your family. We help you trigger exponential success in your business, in your profession, or your job. And the last, we help you, your money work for you so that you build passive income and you become financially free. Wouldn't you like to attend such a program and get all the benefits? Yes, great, thank you. So, what are the fees for it? Just share. One more minute, please. Yeah, next slide, next slide, next. Next. Yeah, this one. The previous one, this one. Okay. The normal cost is, per person is 4,405. Today, for the growth journey, we are offering it at 2,209 per person. And what are the other things that you're going to get? You're going to get a free 1-month coaching from me. Personally from me. I'm going to coach you for 1 month without any charges. And for... Thank you. Ba herself is a coach, so she realizes the importance of a coach and how much work a coach does to transform life. Thank you, Ba. Yes. And then we have a complete 20% discount on all the future programs that we're going to hold. Anywhere on this planet, we have programs lined up for Chennai, for Bangalore, Delhi, and Singapore. So when we have programs, these will be available to you for 20% discount. So the total discounts that you get, total benefits that you get is 15,000 for paying just 2,209. Isn't that a steal? So all those people, and this is available only for today, for people who register today. With whatever token amount you have, please go outside and register. Register with a token amount, and you get all these benefits. Have I been able to make a wee bit of change in your thoughts, in your energy? Yes or yes? Yes. Fantastic. My day is made. Thanks a lot for patient ear. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Arpita.
Thank you so much. Okay. It's been a wonderful session. We've had 4 authors, and there are still more surprises in store. Before we go in for a break, I would request Ms. Neetu to quickly come and inform you about our future program that is on 13th of January 2017. Ms. Neetu Bhantia. Kindly welcome her with a round of applause, please. Thank you everyone. Come in the mic. It's no longer mine.
Okay, leave it. Hello, everybody. Okay, now it's fine. All right. This is funny. Okay, I'm sure you guys are enjoying the show. And right now I'm here to announce you the next month's event, that is on 13th of January. And we have again 5 speakers talking. The first speaker is going to be Miss Reena De Silva. She's a reform engineer and an NLP practitioner. She's going to talk on more than words. The second speaker is going to be Mr. Sanjay Madan. He is going to talk on, I forgot. He is going, what? Mr. Sanjay Madan is going to talk on secrets for attracting abundance of money. The third speaker is Mr. Neeraj Kapoor. He is a business strategist, and he is going to talk on programming for success. The fourth speaker is Mr. Anil Thomas. His topic is square tire, which sounds pretty interesting. I'm actually looking forward for it. And lastly, our speaker is going to be Nishikant Suryavanshi. His topic is life is felicitous use of time. So that's what we will be looking forward, and I wish that you all guys come here on 13th of January. We welcome you and see you guys.
भाई अभी के लिए अलविदा नहीं कह रहे हैं. We'll have a short break of 5 minutes ताकि आप तुरंत रिफ्रेश होकर वापस आ जाएं. We still have a lot more speakers on with us and 5 minutes का ब्रेक. मिलते हैं एक छोटी सी ब्रेक के बाद.